Hey, how's it going? Let's go over how to draw an Among Us character. He's going to be an imposter, capturing two other crewmates. Let's get started. It's going to be easy for beginners, so let's stick around. It's going to be super fast. Line across right here for the bottom of the imposter's mouth. Down right here. Curve around underneath right here for one of the legs. Line right here for underneath the body. Pulling up here on this side of the leg, that marshmallow style leg. Gonna go on this side, pull down for the other marshmallow leg. Curve back. Pulling up. Line over here. Out over here. Alright, so that's opened up, right? That mouth right here, this is the open mouth. Gonna pull upward back a little bit. Gonna go right here and pull a line back right here for the visor of this imposter. Curve for the front of that visor. Pulling back along that line, curve down. Gonna go right here up. Curve for the back of the head. Line down. Gonna go right here and find that backpack right on this guy. Don't forget, by the way, if you like learning how to draw in general, I teach every single day. I put up a different drawing video on different lessons. Absolutely hit that subscribe and click that bell notification so it actually shows you what's going on. Gonna curve down right here for the backpack. The backpack itself is folded too on the back right there. So it kind of looks like a folded Twinkie or something. All right. Now, before I draw the tongue coming out, well, first thing is I'm gonna draw the teeth. Line right there. It's a triangle downward. Same thing right here. Same thing right here. Right here. Right here. Gonna go over here on this side. On the bottom of the bottom row of teeth there. And now there's going to be some crewmate attached right on his tongue here. So it's shooting through there. So curve right here for the top of that crewmate's visor, downward from the front. Curve right here. Line underneath. Line at the top. Curve back. Downward. Line underneath here. Line under here for the leg. And then another curved line for the other leg, right? They're kind of hanging there. He's just hanging out. So line over here underneath for the bottom of his body. And then his backpack looks like the kind of more regular Twinkie. Gonna go right here. Now we want to put another one. Visor of like a crewmate behind him. Right? Kind of looks like a TV set. Very, very simple, very chill. Gonna go over here and draw another head over there like they're stacked. Pulling down. Don't forget, there's a free How to Draw Cute ebook in the description. It is something that I used to sell, but now it is free. So I'm giving it free to you guys as kind of a gift, like a payback. Thank you guys for following or watching. It is how to draw cute. So when I give you an example of something that's cute, cute would be like these guys are kind of cute. Rounded edges, stuff like that. What else makes cute? Think about it. What makes cute? Cute would be like proportions, right? As far as cute. So big head, smaller body, big eyes, smaller mouth. Those are proportions, and that makes it cute. I put a list on there. There's literally a chart on the proportions you should do, and that I suggest. And you can turn anything cute. Go take a look at that. It is really, really fun to check out. So go take a look at that video. Go take a look at that ebook. It is like 6 pages. And once you remember the stuff in that ebook, you remember it forever. So that's the cool part about it. There's nothing you have to really read. So like I said, the only catch is you have to find it in the description. It is totally free. So go take a look. Gonna go over here, curve underneath, pull up. Over here on this side for the other foot, pull up. Line over here. Back, down, under here. Okay, and let's draw that spike. So the spike is going to go over here straight into the eye. The tongue is going to go straight into the eye right there. We're going to draw right through that form. And over here on this side, same thing. Go here. Maybe right here we put like a crack right there in the screen. And a line right there underneath. And what we're going to do is we're going to show it going all the way through the other side. Right there. And it shows that he has captured these dudes, right? Or more than captured, right? Now I'm going to do is I'm going to throw a little, let's do the detail stuff. Line right here on the lens. Line right there. And maybe another circle here, making it look like a reflection. Same thing with these guys. I'm going to line right here. Line right here. And then finally I'm going to draw a thick line on the outside of this whole thing, this whole little scene. If you want more scenarios, let me know. If there's like other maybe scenarios in Among Us, or even scenarios in any kind of, you know, thing. If you want, I don't know, just let me know. And I'll see what I can do in making it happen, okay? I'm going to throw a thick line just on the outer edge of stuff. If you have any questions, I'm here to answer them. I am changing the name of the YouTube channel pretty soon. I'm going to call it Sketch Monsters Videos to match my, that's my username pretty much since I was younger, Sketch Monster. Line it over here, down. Curve underneath here. Continuing. Again, just kind of like slightly thicker line on the outside. Alrighty, I want to thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video, okay? See you soon, alright?